Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios your price may take and explain why I prefer one coin over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 15-minute time frame, and today we're going to be focusing again the structures from the lows of Wednesday 9th of November. Since then again we had the main idea here currently, which is standing like something like this, where we had this as the three-way move into the highs and then looking for a three-way pullback back down. We had this as a three-way structure in the form of possible triangle, not the best looking on RSI, however that fits quite well here. Again, after this X was put in place, we would have a three-way structure here, a correction wave here that would be resetting the RSI basically for a further move downwards, and that is what we got, another move downwards. Now on this move downwards we started to receive a lot of different divergences after creating some of these lows. On 15 minutes we had the lowest low here already and creating these divergences all against these lows, and at some point that has to be played out. So that again was the pump. The extension here for the wave Y was just around this minimum extension that we have for this any kind of three-way move. So again 0.618 is one of the targets, or the minimum target that we have. So we are just around that. Might not actually hit it, just on the hit. Oh, it did. Okay, there we go. And also what else we got there is the minimum requirement for a flat pattern, meaning that this whole thing could be a flat. We're not extending or having an extended flat or expanded flat, sorry, since we did not take out the lows here, but again we did retrace around 90% for this structure, so overall we could be labeling this as an A, B and C. Now the expectation for the C wave here would be, this is actually should be one more higher, should be a five-way structure. So again, with the thing here is that we are expecting an impulse move from the lows, and that is somewhat what we're getting here. Bitcoin actually made its low here on 7:46 on my time, and ETH did its low here previously, so ETH might be one more leg more bullish on that. So we'll see how this is turning out. Now at the moment it does look like that we are needing to have this as some kind of either nested 1-2s or some kind of diagonal, one or the other. Can't really say which one. Again, we had the low here and we are not really taking out the previous lows here, so both of them, these possibilities are still open. It is possible that this is some kind of 1-2 or 1-2 scenario here, as we are creating this as probably the third of third, so this would be the end of third, so fifth of third and fourth and then fifth. And here we would be getting some kind of ending diagonal here. Could have been already ended at these highs. We'll see how that goes. Again, on RSI, we are creating all these divergences now to the downside, so the bearish move back down, but I don't expect us to go below these at the moment. Again, the idea here is that we are creating a five-way move here. Let's just measure out some kind of guidelines basically here, where we are expecting, if this indeed is the end of this first move, we would be looking for a pull down back to around 16.2k, and then again on the push higher, something like this. Again, we're not really expecting too much out of this, taking out these highs. That is definitely a possibility. 1-to-1 would be around the 2.236 extension of this move, if we are again coming back to the golden pocket here, which is again area where we are expecting any five-way move to go to if there is no significant extension on any of the legs. So that again would take out the highs here. 1-to-1 is definitely the main target for any kind of flat patterns here, and also anywhere up to these highs here we would be looking for some kind of move. So again, that is going to be presenting us another opportunity if we are getting a five-way move all the way up there today. Again, before that though, I'm expecting a dump down, and if we are indeed getting this, I'm definitely going to set some more longs on the open here, or on the areas here, probably starting from the 32.5 and then the golden pocket and playing them against this low. But yeah, I think that is pretty much the game plan for today. Looking for this to rise up higher. Indeed, if we are just doing this what I'm expecting here, then taking the longs and then closing them, starting at the, well, probably 1-to-1, or the first target would be this A highs, or A waves high. But yeah, I think that is going to do it for now. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you next video. Bye bye.